Hi guys, Shelly here, and I just wanted to come to you today with a brand new program that is launched. That was launched last week, actually, I think over the Easter weekend, and something that I'm part of. And yeah, so I'm excited for this new program. It's a legacy builder program, and there are 4 levels to this program. Um, Yeah, so let's get into it, guys. So when you log in, when you first purchase your product, you'll come in through like this, and this is hosted on Kajabi. I'm not sure if you know what Kajabi is, but it's hosted on Kajabi. And because I'm on the $600 level, the digital mastery level, yeah, it's showing here. Then there's a $300 level passive daily pay blueprints, launchpad, which is $100, and then you get bonuses too. Now, the $900 is the legacy builder. That's the highest level. So, but I'm on the 600, the digital mastery. So, let's go into there. Okay, let's give me a second. Okay, guys, so this is the level that I'm on, and you have 100% resale rights on all the levels on the $100, $300, $600, and the $900. So this is a digital mastery, and this is what you all get, guys. So start to click here to get started, you start there, and then how to navigate Kajabi, a launch kit for your online business, automate your online business for time freedom, edit your pre-built automated funnel, how to create payment stripes, stripe links, or whatever payments you are going to be receiving your commissions from, capture pages, testing your automated funnel system, and social media. Then it's social media, setting up your social media, how to post free ads on the internet, guys, growing a following on social media, passive. Then the next um, product under mine is $300. That's passive daily by blueprints, and this is all that you get with it. How to make 100 profit from other people's products, finding your ideal customer, mastering storytelling in social media, video content. And guys, that's not even all. Let's just go to the second page. Okay, then building a strong brand identity, discovering method how to track customers, copy, paste, free ads method. So if you're an introvert or you don't like doing videos, that's no problem, guys. There is something for everybody, and you could do this method. I personally love this method, copy and paste ads. So there's YouTube training. And guys, also I think to note, not all the trainings will be available. They still are coming. So if you get into, whatever level you're on, and you see videos missing, then just be patient because they are going to be uploaded, guys. Pinterest training, real strategy, story strategy, bonus going live. If you want to go live, do video. Digital mastery, this is part of what I'm on. The level I'm on, 6 figures in 6 months. Build a recurring income stream, affiliate marketing partnerships. Okay. Then the third page, guys, let's see. Yeah, go to the third page. Um, then it's introduction to email marketing, building email list, and how to use chat GPT, guys. Wow, there is so much value in this program, and it's an interactive program, guys. So which is great. It's not like all your other courses that you get out there, but there's so much value, and that's why I just love it. If I go back to my products here, and also, guys, you get access. Let me just show you to a community, yeah, digital growth community, where there are currently 13,300 people, over 13,000 people right now, guys. And wow, and you get so much support here. You can get all your questions answered. Let's just click on here. So if you are looking for something, you can just go to the search bar and type in, let's say, TikTok or whatever you want to ask. You just put in the search bar and it will come up. There's a whole lot of sections here as well. So there's daily videos and Zoom replays, mindset, motivation, social media, member feedback, general discussions, shout outs and welcomes. So when you've made a commission, then you can go in there and just say, yes, I've made my first sale. So guys, there is so much value here and you'll get so much support. This is an amazing community. I've never seen such a community such as this. As I'm from South Africa, there are so many South Africans in this community, which is amazing. I love it. And it just resonates with me. So, um, yeah, you get a lot of support. You're not by yourself. And another thing I wanted to show you as well, um, with the website, you get your, this is your own website, but let me just go, yeah. Okay, that's System IO. Let's see. Yes, testimonial videos, a lot of testimonials, which is amazing. You can just use these and upload them to your YouTube channel if you want. Let's just go, yeah. I want to show you guys something. Yeah, products. So yeah, guys, and these are the bonuses that you get. Um, just go into this. Okay, so you get 200 digital products, ideas, the Canva crash course, 30-day market strategy growth plan, how to start an online business with MMR. It's master, that's reselling, you know, um, the course, um, mindset, message, and marketing to your first million, your invisible empire, faceless marketing. If you don't want to be on video, guys, like I stated earlier, then yeah, you can do faceless. And you get all these bonuses, guys. So I've never seen, yeah, there's so much value in this program. It's unreal, and I just see, yeah. So depends what level you want to come in at. Um, the $100, the $300, the $600, which I'm on, or the $900, which is the legacy builder. And basically that is how to create your own course program. Um, you know, that's creating your own products at the end of the day. So, but I'm on the $600 level, so you must come in where whatever suits your budget, but try and come in as high as you can, because getting higher commissions is going to be obviously much better for you. I mean, earning $600 for me in South Africa, is a dream come true. So earning that type of money is amazing. So that's $219 per year. So um, I think that's really fantastic. So um, just see as well. Want to show you something else. This is back to the group, yeah. And also, you get your own website. So just want to show you guys, um, your the website. So if you go here to daily pay to freedom.com, that is my website, and you'll get a capture page like this. So just put in your email and then it will take you, let me just show you to the next page. Um, go there. And this is what your actual website will look like, guys. So this is beautiful. I mean, this website is amazing. Look how stunning it looks. There's just a little bit about me, and that's my fur baby Jax, as I don't have kids. Not married. And yeah, just a story. You just got to put a story of yourself in there, and just goes through everything, guys. There's testimonials after testimonials. This is the level that I'm on, digital mastery level. It shows you all what's included in there. The next one is Launchpad. That's the $100, and then the $300, which is the passive daily pay to blueprint level, and then shows you all the bonuses, guys. So you have access to the digital growth community, the Canva crash course, um, my mentors 1 million in 70 months blueprints, 30-day strategy, how to start online business with MRR, digital product ideas, mindset, message marketing to your first million, and your invisible empire faces marketing. Here's more testimonials on the site, and yeah, gives you everything, guys. $300, $100, more testimonials, just a beautiful website. Doesn't disappoint, that's for sure. So, guys, that's the Legacy Builder program in a nutshell. And if you are interested, then click the link in my bio. Click the link below for more info, or go to dailypaytofreedom.com and put in your email, and let's get you going, guys, because this is changing so many lives. There are so many testimonials. Let me show you something here. So many testimonials here of people winning. Yeah, so very excited. Just made another 800. Catherine. Um, yeah, there's just so many testimonials and people winning. Yeah, guys. So excited to wake up to $300. Um, there's lots of people winning. Yeah, guys. It's going to take work. But it's going to be worth it at the end of the day, because you're doing something for yourself, and you're earning an income for yourself if that's what you want. If you're looking to quit your 9 to 5 or just find a side hustle, guys, um, this is such a detailed, in-depth program. And yeah, so if you're interested, then click the link in in my bio. Click the link below in the and let's get you started. And yeah, because you can't go wrong. Yeah, there's just so much to get through. There's a lot of training to get through, but it's so worth it. It shows you step by step what to do. If you're tech challenged, let me just show you this tech Zooms here. I think there are 2 a week. So you're welcome. You can you welcome to get on board a tech Zoom and get your answers. Get your questions answered. If you go into calendar here, shows you all the what's happening. What's happening here, all the Zooms that are happening for the week. So, and these webinars, we invite your guests to the webinars. So that's another great way to earn. And you'll have access to this, when you are in the community. There's just so much value. Like I said, I've never seen so much value, guys. So anyway, that's my video for today about the Legacy Builder program. If you're interested, please click the link in my bio if you want to know more details. then yeah, then go to DailyPay to freedom.com. And yeah, if you have any questions, then just leave a comment, or leave a comment below. And yeah, and let's get you going to earning $600, per day, um, or come in whatever level you can. And yeah, let's make 2024 the best year yet. Okay, guys, have a great day. Cheers. And also another thing, guys, I just wanted to also add before I go, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and support me as yeah trying to grow my YouTube channel. So please like and subscribe to my channel. I'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great day. Cheers.